Scientists observing the Hunga volcano's activity are still in shock by the sudden eruption of the submarine volcano, as it began its reactivity late last year on the 20th of December 2021. The volcano is located in the Pacific Ocean's Tongan archipelago. It's been 7 years since its last eruption in 2014, where land was added in between two islands, causing them to merge, creating the Hunga Island, where the volcano now lies. The volcano started to send particles into the stratosphere. In fact, in the capital city, which is 70 kilometers away from the volcano, a large plume of ash was seen by residents. The volcano remained active as seawater and hot magma met, causing the volcano to erupt due to steam. 4 blasts occurred due to this, fracturing the rocks, meaning that huge amounts of water went into the magma chamber. A few days ago, on the 15th of January 2022, the volcano reached its peak and erupted, releasing plumes of soot, sulfur dioxide, and a huge amount of water vapor, 146 tons of it, 57 kilometers into the atmosphere. This concerns scientists, as water vapor is a greenhouse gas, meaning that they believe due to the large amount of water vapor that was released into the atmosphere, it will increase global temperatures by 1.5 degrees Celsius at least once by 2026, as it raises the water vapor content of the stratosphere by 10 to 15%. It was the highest plume ever recorded in a volcano. The eruption was so violent and powerful that it was ranked 6th on the Volcanic Explosivity Index, making it more powerful than any U.S. nuclear weapon. The volcanic eruption was even larger than the Krakatoa volcanic explosion in Indonesia, which happened in 1883. The explosion was so powerful that a tsunami was formed due to the powerful shock waves that were released from the volcano, as it formed high waves up to 85 meters right after the explosion. The waves hit the west coast of the Tonga islands of Tonga, Eoa, and Hapai. They were also able to reach Russia, Chile, the Caribbean, and the U.S. 84% of Tonga's population were affected by the ash and tsunami waves, as 1 to 5 centimeters of ash from the volcano covered nearby islands, which forced people to evacuate. So far, 2 people have been reported dead, yet many experts believe that there are more that have not been found. Due to the rainfall of ash, food, drinking water, and crops have all been contaminated, and many villages and houses have been lost due to the tsunami. Many are left without shelter. Access to communication internationally and domestically is also difficult, as 2 undersea internet cables were damaged and aren't expected to be fixed until a month. There's also been limited access to the satellite phones, and the international airport has been closed due to the thick ash cloud covering the island. Hours after the eruption, once it was safe, the Tongan government and the Red Cross volunteers started to help aid people by supplying people with tents, drinking water, and hygiene kits. Due to the poor access to communication, surveillance flights from the New Zealand and Australian Defence Forces were flown over the island of Tonga to see how severe the damages to the island had been. 3 out of 4 of the islands affected had all their infrastructure destroyed, as houses rose, water tanks, and other infrastructure were damaged or destroyed. The country needs an estimated $90.4 million to repair all the damages that has affected the islands. The population of Tonga can't really do much, yet they can help people around them who are stuck in their houses, injured, or haven't received any aid. They can also keep away from being too close to the volcano and the high waves from the tsunami. Further updates will be announced soon.